I do a little bit fun when I'm vlogging, but as communication my English is not good. Wow, it is literally amazing paradise, this field. Yes, just take view, look at over there and this side, that side, everywhere is very amazing, beautiful. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we came here to shoot of my vlog, and right now it is afternoon, and it's 1:30, and it's a very sunny, and wind is blowing along with heavy sunny. And let me show you location where we are right now. So you can see this is this next village. We are right now nearby this village. We are right now, and very beautiful. So guys, do like and subscribe and be wise. And he is my friend over there, two ladies, they are walking on their field. So we were just came here to shoot my vlog, and now I'm heading toward this mustard field because it seems very beautiful. Be careful. Come. Be so it's very sunny and wind blowing, and little bit, not too much. It's foggy as well. As let me show you around. As you can see, this is white, like it's a color. So guys, sun rays direct I am getting, it is direct falling or hitting into my eyes. I am getting direct. So it's a very sunny, honestly I am telling you. And my friend is there, so he is shying, but I am trying to overcome. I love to make videos, so that's why I ignore and I make unlimited vlog as much as I can do. I'm not saying unlimited, but I literally I do a little bit fun when I'm vlogging, but as communication my English not good, I have to focus a little bit words. It is very important for me. Dear friend, what are you listening, bro? Very difficult to walk on a small tiny dike. Now few friend coming, let them come first. Wow, it is literally amazing paradise, this field. Yes, if this all field instead of this maze, if people had planted entire this land mustard field, it could have more beautiful than right now what we see. But That's okay, that's fine. It is farmer choice. So let take this camera, bro. So right now I feel why not I sing a song, but I am not good at singing, so I'm not going to sing. But yes, just take view, look at over there, and this side, that side, everywhere is very amazing, beautiful. So for upcoming my vlog, if you have, let me know in the comment box. And right now this is our village field, this is our village site, but this is another village, not my village. It is not my village, it is another village. Yes, you heard right. We came here to shoot my vlog. And what else I wanted to say? I think I'm forgetting. Yes, it's been more than 6 months, but I'm being a little bit disappointed. Why? Because neither subscriber increasing, nor like, nor views. So how it going to work? I don't think that it going to work at all. So it's all up to you. Support and subscribe, and let me know as well that where and how far my video reaching, my vlog reaching. I wanna know. So then I will come to know that yes, my video reaching far and wider audience it is going. So let me know in the comment box and hit subscribe button as well as bell icon. Now I got it, bro. Let's walk a little bit this side, bro. So many villager are staring at us, guys, so that's why we come quiet place to shoot my vlog. And yes, gradually I will engage, or I will go in crowd place where is lot of people, but you have to first subscribe, guys, and like, then I will get more confident. Now my subscriber increasing and as well as views, then I will go in public place and I will shoot. Yes, you heard exactly right. Right now I am shooting with very simple equipment, my phone, and I don't have microphone. I didn't buy anything like this, any expensive what's this, friend, I forgot, buddy, like microphone, any drone like this. I just shooting my vlog. So you are sensible, guys, you can understand. If you are not sensible, then you know. If you are not sensible, then I don't know. Yes, what will happen, bro? Nothing will happen. Just keep vlogging, keep making video, continue your journey, and you will find it out. Someday you will see good result. So that's why I come every day. Honestly, I am telling you, it will take time, I know, but that's okay. Yes, now right now we are going that route, and then we will also take few clips and then we will end. So now we are heading towards that route, and nowadays everywhere this, almost my entire village land, guys, is getting dried out completely. It is getting dried out. Why? This is winter. Yes, you heard right. In the morning you will feel cold, but when time will be 10 or 11, you will get heavy sunlight, and that's why nowadays farmer installing diesel engine, I mean water pump, to watering their plants, their crops, to grow more aggressively. Honestly guys, I'm telling you, it is very difficult to make vlog, especially in village, but yes, I know what I have to do. I will not give up, I will keep continue. As I said, I am very fond of this, so that's why. Yes, and you tell me, don't forget what I had said earlier, how far my video going and where you from are you you are watching. These things I wanna know, so let me know so that I can know, and according to your demand I will make my vlog, be it satisfied, be it good or bad, but yes, sure, I will make my vlog. But if you will not let me know in the comment box, then how can I will think that my video it is going right direction and right audience. So this is for me very important. Let me know, don't blindly watch. You your what is your viewpoint, I want to know. So guys, I come in random place and I make in in random places nearby my village, because I'm sometimes confused that over which thing I should make my vlog. So that's why I'm a little bit nervous I get, but I am trying to story to story make my vlog, and so that it can make a little bit sense. In a random place you come and making vlog, it's not making any sense. So that's why I'm telling you, let me know in the comment box what kind of vlog should I make. And yes, here's showcasing many things, because as I live in a village, so there's a lot of things to showcase, and that's why I'm trying my best. So that's all in this vlog. I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care. And if you enjoy my vlog, do like and subscribe, and as well as let me know in the comment box which part your favorite and what's your favorite. Thank you for now. Till then, bye bye, take care.